The video surveillance and security market is growing rapidly across all types of businesses. The shift from analog video cameras, CCTV, and proprietary recording appliances to digital IP-based cameras that stream data to general-purpose computing infrastructure brought with it the potential to transform traditional security systems from isolated, single-purpose islands to integrated, well-managed extensions of business IT. Building server and storage infrastructure to support critical video surveillance needs is easy, with scale computing HyperCore software and hyper-converged infrastructure appliances. By combining server, storage, and network resources from multiple appliances into a single, easy-to-manage system, Scale Computing HyperCore provides resilient and scalable security infrastructure that is both affordable and easy for anyone to manage. Thousands of customers with tens of thousands of locations in a wide range of industries and use cases rely on Scale Computing HyperCore to keep their critical applications running and their data highly available. Whether you need a highly available cluster for your primary data center or remote sites, or just small, single appliances for remote locations, Scale Computing has an easy solution. Engineering simplicity is what we do, and making IT simpler for you to manage is what we love.